Here is my VEVOR 7-in-1 weather station, and it's been working just great for the last year that I've had it, and until I noticed I wasn't getting any rain indication. It was sitting at 0 and there were plenty of rain. So I went up and got it down and looked in here. And right here was a whole bunch of trash with little sticks and pine needles stuck down in there. So it was keeping it totally restricted from flowing. It should be cleaned. So what I'm seeing is you have to check this occasionally. You take this and hold on to this and just counterclockwise there. And there's the bayonet connections, and here are the little, there's 3 of them, one over here, here, and there. And then you can screw this back on, and look, there's some trash right on the inside. Now, you think, well, I cleaned that out, all is okay. No, you've got another big problem, and that is right there is the tilt pan. In other words, it tilts, this fills up as rainwater goes in. It fills that up. When it gets full, this will go over, spill that out, and drain down. Then this one will fill up, and then it goes that way. So that's how it registers the rain. This is a prescribed amount of measurement of 1/10 of an inch. I don't know what it is, but you see with that trash in there, that's going to affect how much water can get in there. So this is going to, you need to take this off and then don't let it get to that point. See, both of them are filled up, and it's going to add weight and throw your calibration off. Okay, just so you can see it a little bit, I'm going to work on this one right here, and I'm just going to take and I'm going to hold this down with my finger and just scrape this. See? Alcohol rubbing. And I can just hold this and just work. Oh, it just cleans it, softens it. I've got the station right here, and here is the rain, and this is on an advent. All of those times I was flipping back and forth, I put a 1/2 inch, a little more than a 1/2 inch, dot 56. Now, when you get through with your test and cleaning and all of that, you want to get rid of that. And when you do the test, I want to see how much 1/10 registers on here. So what I'm going to do is clear this setting, and to do that, you press the rain right here and you hold it for 2 seconds or more, and that'll clear it, reset it. There, it's back to 0, 0.0. Now I'm going to open this up and just do it by hand. I'm going to tip this and see how much that registers. Okay, it didn't register. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 6 hundredths. Okay, so it looks like 6 times is going to be 6 hundredths. Let's do some more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 3. Okay, it actually counts each one is a 1/100th of an inch, it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit in till I hear it. You'll hear it click. There, that was 1 click. It's 2 hundredths. All right, let's do another one. Listen for the click. There. And wait. It's 2 hundredths. That's 3 hundredths. That's 5/100 of water. And if you'll notice, it's coming out of the bottom of here. There, it's dropping right out of the bottom. So it doesn't store the water in there at all. Okay, it's up to 5. And now you can't just pour the water in there because it's got to teeter back and forth to register. So just pouring it in wouldn't do it. So let's see. There. 9. Okay, that's the way it works. And then when you're finished with your test, oh, and if you go over and just touch this, the rate was 1/2 inch. The hourly was 900ths, and the daily was 900ths, and the weekly is 400ths, and the monthly is 900, and total. Okay, if you want everything to be reset, then you want to do this on the total, and then all of your weekly, daily, and everything. Whatever you put it on, all of the previous values will go away. I want the total for everything to go away. Hold it, and there. Now we can go back to event, and that's event, where you're one day you're just doing it as it's doing it. Okay, I'm going to go and mount this back on its pole and that in the office area, and I'm ready to monitor my weather station. It's really great. Now, if you ever want to reset this back to like it's out of the box, like you're going to give it to someone, then you just you have a reset button under here, and one is a monitor button which flashes to let you know that the batteries are still working good. Okay, so there they are right there. Monitor, and that's the reset button.